Good morning, students. This week, the topic for discussion is data and their representation. In this topic, we'll be studying how to express a data with the help of a frequency distribution table to express the data in a graphical method by histogram or by pie chart, and some questions related to probability. So like in this video, I've taken one question in which we have to draw the frequency distribution table, and the question says the runs scored by a cricket player in 25 innings are as follows. Now these are the runs that are mentioned, as you can see, 125, 45, 104 and so on till 74 and 57. Now this kind of a data is termed as raw data because it is not arranged, it is just the observation that you have got. Now for drawing a frequency distribution table, you have to form classes. Whenever a data like this is given, you have to form classes. Classes are actually small groups between two values. So as it is already said in the question, that represent them as frequency distribution table taking 40 to 50 as the first interval. Now 40 to 50 is actually the first class or first class interval. Now if the first class interval is from 40 to 50, then the next will be from 50 to 60 and the next one will be from 60 to 70 and so on. So the frequency distribution table will be like this. You are going to prepare three columns. In the first column, you are going to write the heading of the quantity that is mentioned. So actually in this question, they have given us the runs. So I have written the heading as runs. Then the second column, you are going to write tally marks. Tally marks is actually expressing the data in the form of these lines. And then the frequency. Frequency means the number of times a data is coming. So from 40 to 50, that is the first class interval, we are going to search out that how many times the runs are being scored from 40 to 49. You are going to leave the last value. And remember students, the first value in a class is termed as the lower limit and the second value in the class is termed as the upper limit. Same for the other classes. So we are going to check for the runs which are being scored from 40 to 49. So if you are going to check it like 45, this will come in the first class. Similarly, 40 will come in this first class, 49 will come in this first class and so on. So in all there are 6 times that the data between 40 and 49 is coming. So I'm going to write 6 over here. And in the tally marks, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put lines like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, and for showing 5, you put a slash over the 4 lines and then 1 again. So this indicates that you have expressed 6 over here. Similarly, for the next class, 50 to 60, you are going to search out for the values like 50 to 60 means that you are going to search out for the values from 50 to 59. So 58 is one value, 52 is another value, and in that form there are 5 such cases in which the values are lying between 50 to 60. So 5 I am going to express it in tally marks as 1, 2, 3, 4, and for 5 again you are going to put a slash. Then for the next class, that is from 60 to 70, again you are going to search out for the values from 60 to 69. So 60 value, as you can see, this is one value, then there is one more value, that is this one. So now you are going to write 2 as a frequency over here and you are going to put 2 lines. So in the same manner, for every class, for every group, you are going to search out the data that is mentioned over here. But remember one thing, that whenever you are going to search out for any value, like say for example for this class for 90 to 100, remember you are going to just see the values from 90 to 99. Though the class is mentioned from 90 to 100, but you are going to only search the values from 90 to 99, and there is only just one value coming, as you can see over here. So I have drawn just one line over here. And in the last of the frequency distribution table, you are going to add all the values which are coming in the frequency, which will give you the total number of innings. So in this way, you are going to express the frequency distribution table.